Today I am gonna show you how you can make $15 passively every day just by watching YouTube videos. If you think it's not possible, let me tell you this channel Unique Earnings does not create any of the fake content. So be on video alas to get full information how to make money just by watching videos. So today we are going to use platform named chainflix. You can also use the website of this platform or you can download application for your device from here. All links will be present in description box. So first of all, open the website chainflix.net or open app which you have downloaded, make a quick sign up and log in into your account. Now you can see exactly YouTube-like interface of chainflix. This platform is just like YouTube and you can find videos of any category here. Now for earning purpose, you don't have to do anything. You just have click on any video you like and just watch these video, and here you will be getting coins continuously and all you earn coins will be collected here. Now to get more coins, you can just start any video or playlist and keep autoplay on and videos will keep on playing and you will be getting coins for that. Believe me, these coins gets collected very fast by watching videos. These coins are nothing but CFX tokens, that is cryptocurrency of chainflix. Do not to worry because I will tell you how you can redeem this coins to any currency. The value of CFX tokens keep changing. Now the price of 100 CFX tokens is $3. If you continue playing videos for at least 20 hours in a day, you can make up to $50 to $60 per day. Now if you want to withdraw these coins, you have to verify KYC by submitting UID and KYC will get verified within a day. Now make account of Coinbase and you can transfer your coins to Coinbase wallet, and from Coinbase wallet you can redeem new tokens in any currency of your choice. If you get any queries for this, you can ask in comment box. I will solve all of your questions. Hope you liked today's video. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning videos.